In this video, I'm going to show you the best way how you can withdraw crypto from your Trust Wallet account. So I'm on my PC, but don't worry if you're on your phone, it's exactly the same. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step and how you can get your money off Trust Wallet and withdraw it to, for example, your bank account. So the first thing you want to do, go to the Trust Wallet app and open it. And as you can see, I have $0 on this account, but I'm going to show you how to do it just as a tutorial. So what you want to do, you want to go to the link in the description down below where it says get started on Coinbase here. So you want to hit the link and that will bring you over to this page. You were invited to try Coinbase. And the reason why I use Coinbase for withdrawals and deposits is because it's super secure, it's very easy, it has super low fees if you want to deposit money on it. And also if you sign up through the link in the description for Coinbase, you get a $10 Bitcoin bonus. So if you do it through the link, and then you will be on the dashboard right here. And in order to get the money from Trust Wallet, we first going to send it to Coinbase. So here you want to go to send and receive at the top. And once you hit that, this comes up. And you want to go to receive. Here you have your address, so we want to change this to, for example, Bitcoin. And then copy the Bitcoin address. Then go to Trust Wallet, go to send. And here I don't have enough balance, but if you can send it, you want to enter in the address from Coinbase, from your Coinbase account. Select Bitcoin and add a note if you want. Then hit send and the money will be directly sent to your Coinbase account. And from here, we can deposit it easily with our bank transfer to our bank account, because Coinbase supports bank transfer, which is really handy and easy to use. So what I recommend you to buy, if you buy Bitcoin or you invest, use Coinbase for the withdrawals and deposits. Use smaller wallets like Trust Wallet or any other wallet or exchange to buy a lot of coins. So that's the way I recommend. If this video helped you out, please leave a like. Please subscribe and see you next time.